जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं। जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं।
सदाशिवसमारम्भां ज्ञानसम्बन्धाचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the participants and devotees, disciples sitting with us from around the world in Chitsabha and around the world sitting in many centers and ashrams. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. With integrity and authenticity, I commit to the Kala Bhairava and to all of you, I'll complete this program successfully with integrity and authenticity to the time and the space, quantity and quality, sincerely to all of you. With this commitment to Mahakala Bhairava, I begin the program. This program, Nitya Dhyana Yoga, Life Bliss program, this is the first level program. For my message, this is the program through which I wanted to introduce you a new way of living your life. As you all may be aware, I have developed the message and the methods newly with a complete new understanding. So I request all the participants, first thing, listen. 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 This program is not like a program you already attended from me or any of our Sangha Acharyas or anywhere with anybody. It is unique, just like you. So please listen. So my first request, let us all commit to listening. Listening is God. Only through listening, the first step for transformation happens in Vedic tradition. The first step for transformation is Shravana, means listening. Vedic tradition gives only 3 steps. All of you need to know Vedic tradition gives only 3 steps for transforming your life to success. The first step, listening. Second step, contemplating or internalizing, manana. Third step, expressing, radiating, nididhyasana, enriching. That's all. Shravana, listening, manana, internalizing, nididhyasana, enriching. So, first step need to happen in everyone. By you being here, continue to sit in the program. I will take this as a commitment from you that you are deciding to listen. This program not only designed to awaken your 7 energy centers, I also awaken your consciousness through which you can express the 4 fundamental foundation truths of Jivan Mukti, living enlightenment. That is integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching yours and others' lives. I also commit with you all that I will take the program step by step, taking all of you along with me and the understanding. So I will use less technical terms, and each term I use, I will give a complete, definite definitions, so that you are able to travel with me in this journey of knowledge, transformation. This program is all about awakening your 7 energy points. There are 7 energy points in your body responsible for 7 thought currents of your being. Can you project? Yes. Now all of you are seeing the 7 energy centers. In Sanskrit we call it chakras. Each of the energy center is the center for a thought current. You have 7 thought currents. Each thought current is responsible for one center, and each center is responsible for one thought current. It means If the thought current is clean, alive, authentic, that center is alive, expanding and enriching. If the thought current is corrupt, that center also shrinks and collapses. These 7 energy points in your body, as per the yogic tradition and as per my own experience, play a very vital role in your life. All the major things related to your life, your diseases, the way you think, why you think the way you think, why you behave the way you behave, your emotions, your pains, your joys, your understanding about the world, your understanding about yourself, and everything unsaid by me. These are the 7 chakras through which you perceive the world, you perceive yourself. Each energy center is located in your body in particular place, but it is almost, not exactly that space near that area. First center, the root center, it is near the root of your spine, but for every individual it is little different. It is not, I can't say one point around that area. For somebody it will be little left, for somebody it is little right, for somebody it is little below, but around that area, around the root of the spine, the root center exists, and just 2 inches above, in the spleen area, the Swadhisthana chakra, the being center, is located. Third, on your navel, the Manipuraga, the navel center is located. Center of the heart, the center of the heart area, the heart's chakra, heart center is located. Center of the throat center, center of the eyebrows, brow center, Agnya chakra, the top of your crown, the crown center, Sahasrara chakra. I am not using the Sanskrit words more so that the new participants will not be overwhelmed. These are the 7 centers corresponding to 7 different thought currents. For example, the moment lust thought current is alive in you, vibrant in you, you will feel your root center is active, ready to receive or give. The moment fear, thought current is alive in you, the spleen center, Swadhisthana, being center, is ready to take decisions. It's active, fully alive. And the moment the worrying thought current is alive in you, the Manipura, the navel center, is alive. So each of these thought currents make that center alive. Each of these centers are major energy points through which the entire energy in your system is flowing. Whenever you lack integrity, authenticity and responsibility and enriching, you will experience the hangover of low energy or low frequency emotions like anger, attachment to your fantasy or fear, or worrying, attention need, jealousy, ego, dissatisfaction, frustration. Whenever you have the hangover of low frequency, low energy emotions, these major energy points shrink or collapse. Please understand. Root center vibrates with desire and pattern of greed, energy. It is an energy thought current, the thought current of desire. Being center, thought current of fear. Navel center, thought current of worrying. Heart center, thought current of love, attention need. Throat center, thought current of jealousy, comparison. Brow center, thought current of ego. The alternative identity projection than what exists is ego. When you are not easily going with the life, it is ego. Either it is easy going or egoing. And crown center is the thought current for dissatisfaction and frustration. These are the 7 major energy points with the 7 major thought currents.